morning. Today is Monday and I'm going to talk money. Without wasting any time, today the product that I'm going to talk about or category that I'm going to talk about, it comes under something called risk planning and also tax planning. So yeah, what's the product which protects you on your bad day? You guessed it right, insurance. So three things I want you to keep in mind whenever you invest in an insurance policy are as mentioned below. Okay, number one, please remember that there are two kinds of main policies that are there. One is the traditional products like your money back, endowment policy, children's plan or retirement plan. So all these come under the traditional category of products. The other category of products is the market link plan, where insurance companies try to offer you a mix of protection and investment returns. Now, where is the problem? Especially when you're trying to buy from a bank, I want you to be very careful, because banks have access to all our financial data and they also know our account balance, right? Which is why they may take the liberty of letting us put money, lot of money, in what are long-term instruments like insurance. So please make sure that you know what are you buying, why are you buying, and what's the purpose because of which you're investing in insurance. Number two, please ensure that you ask your insurer or advisor or the bank for a company generated benefit illustration, because benefit illustration से आपको आइडिया मिलता है कि आपने कितने पैसे डाले हैं वर्सेस आपको कितने मिलेंगे. This is super critical for you to get an accurate idea. लेकिन इंसिस्ट कीजिए कि कंपनी जनरेटेड बेनिफिट इलस्ट्रेशन हो. बेनिफिट इलस्ट्रेशन अपने में एक वीडियो टॉपिक है, सो कैच मी नेक्स्ट वीक एंड आई एम गोना टॉक मोर अबाउट इट. यू विल रियलाइज व्हाई. Thirdly, one reason why insurance is a very attractive instrument, because of which लोग लाखों प्रीमियम देते हैं, is because the proceeds are tax free. मतलब जो भी आपको रिटर्न्स मिलता है, it is 100% tax free under section 10D. However, ये आपको प्लीज जानना है कि अमेंडमेंट्स होते रहते हैं एंड इट्स नॉट कि ब्लैंकेट सारे इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी से जो है रिटर्न्स टैक्स फ्री हैं. एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू टेक अ पेंशन प्लान, only 1/3 of the returns, which is called as the commutation amount, is generally free. Otherwise, anything that you take as pension from a pension plan will be treated as regular income or additional income, and it is not tax free. Secondly, more importantly, because I have seen कि लोग बड़े बड़े premiums unit link plans में invest करते हैं, beyond 2.5 lakh प्रीमियम देने पर आपके रिटर्न्स टैक्स फ्री नहीं होते हैं. सो प्लीज नेक्स्ट टाइम बिफोर यू डिसाइड टू इन्वेस्ट इन इंश्योरेंस, मेक श्योर दैट यू कीप दीज थ्री थिंग्स इन माइंड. इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट एनी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स और इफ यू वांट टू डू अ जनरल हेल्थ चेकअप ऑफ योर फाइनेंशियल पोर्टफोलियो, reach out to me or my co-founder Ram. I would have given the details in the comment section. Should you invest in insurance? Absolutely. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, it comes under risk planning and tax planning, which is a very important part in the overall bucket of investments. So yes, yesterday was Shankranti. I hope all of you have had a great Shankranti. It signifies prosperity. Let's begin yet another prosperous year, and I hope you make lots of money. I'll see you next Monday. You take care and have a lovely week ahead.